Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the head of Bank for International Settlement said that the cryptocurrency have lost the battle against fiat currencies. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is Fed minutes, what happened yesterday on the meeting, and we have here Canada, where the regulators basically say no to algorithmic stablecoins. So all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to get the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every day, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you. You know, I make short videos every day. You have this longer videos from Monday to Friday. So a lot of crypto related content, which keeps you up to date. Subscribe button, that's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as the new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Okay, and now let's move on to the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually now up a bit more than 2%. That makes Bitcoin $24,452. Ethereum in the last 24 hours up 2.5%, $1,670. The leader is now Stacks up 33%, Engine up 16%, Optimism up 19%. And when we're looking at the losers, basically no losers at all in the last 24 hours. This is the Bitcoin candlestick chart on the 4-hour one. And, you know, we can see that, we had this peak before yesterday. And then basically yesterday we started to, after we broke this trend line, started to go down. And this support around 23,800-ish, 900-ish held again, and now we started to go back, but now we slowed down. So anyway, bottom line, we didn't break the 25,000. I mean, we did break it, but we didn't close above it, couldn't stay above it. So this is just basically a wick, what we can see here. And it's more important even on the daily. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that the head of the Bank for International Settlements said that cryptocurrency have lost the battle against fiat currency. Sorry, it took a little bit longer, but I had to blow my nose. I have a cold or something like that, but it doesn't matter. But I didn't want to do it in the camera. Right. Okay. So the topic here, let me share the screen, is that basically Augustin Carstens, who is the head of the Bank for International Settlements, said that cryptocurrency have lost the battle against fiat currency issued by the world central banks. And he said that, Carsten insisted that technology alone does not make for trusted money. And when I quote him, he's saying that only legal, historical infrastructure behind central banks can give great credibility to money. What this view forgets is that what sustains fiat money is not the application of novel technologies, but all the institutional agreements and social conventions behind it, Carsten said. And it is precisely these agreements and conventions that make money reliable for the public. And he's mainly focusing here on stablecoins. And but he's talking about cryptocurrency in general. Of course, the crypto community, it doesn't agree with this statement. And but to be honest with you, you can understand his side, because this is what he supports and he protects, even if it's now true or false. And what is valuable, we will see in the future, because if you have CBDCs, because they may be valuable because you can shop with them in the shops, you can buy things. But if people start to like other things, just like, for example, Bitcoin, and they said they're saying that it has value. So if I sell the car, I'm happy to sell my car for Bitcoin, and the other side would say, okay, I'm happy to reserve Bitcoin for the car, then, you know, it's working. So we're going to see how the whole thing will unfold, but definitely he's the one who protects their own view, their own thinking, how it should be. And you can understand that basically, as long as they have the fiat money, they have the power, they have the control. With Bitcoin, they lost this kind of control, and even with regulations and everything, it's just not the same than a centralized system. It's a decentralized system. So this was all over the place. They tweeted him all over the place, his statement, and of course the crypto community didn't like it. Understandable. Right, okay, then we had yesterday the Fed minutes. So what was that about? To be honest with you, it was nothing special. Bottom line, Fed minutes show members resolve to keep fighting inflation with rate hikes. We knew that already. So yeah, the summary repeated the members believe ongoing rate hikes will be necessary. So this is bottom line, that rate hikes will come during the next FOMC meetings. A few members said that they wanted to half point, so basically 50 basis point increase. That would show, you know, even a greater resolve to get inflation down, because the goal is bringing it down to 2%, and we pretty far from that. Anyway, the majority would be happy with a 25 basis point. So yeah, now it looks like probably going to be 25, but not all the members agree. Anyway, same thing. They're fighting against inflation. They would like to bring it down, and they, again said they will do everything to make it happen. So that was it. Okay, and now the third topic is all about that Canadian regulators say no to algorithmic stablecoins. Crypto in Canada is not always easy, and now we have the regulators saying no to stablecoins, algorithmic stablecoins. So fiat-backed stablecoins may get a pass if the reserves are liquid and audited monthly. So this is very, very important. So crypto assets trading platforms within the country, so in Canada, will now be prohibited from allowing customers to buy or deposit stablecoins or other value reference crypto asset without the CSA's prior written consent. Obtaining consent means meeting the administrator's many due diligence requirements, including ensuring that the stablecoin is fiat-backed. So this is very important. It has to be fiat behind it. And furthermore, the CSA requires that trading platforms allow such tokens to be bought or sold only if the reserves are made of highly liquid assets, basically cash or cash equivalents. And only if those reserves are held with a qualified custodian, they must also be subject to monthly review by independent auditors, which must be made public in a timely manner. So distributions of those tokens must also comply with Canadian securities legislation, since, according to the notice, fiat-backed crypto assets generally meet the definition of security. So it looks like it's no for algorithmic stablecoins in Canada, but also if it's fiat-backed stablecoin, it should meet those criteria, which I have just pointed out. Okay, that's it. So there is still the fight around stablecoin, and this is especially goes now for Canada. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you will stay up to date, which is, I think, very important. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.